It was when me and the crew were sailing through the West Indies that we caught word of an opportunity or discovery. Naturally, we set off right away into the deepest parts of the rainforest. On the journey, I read up on the legend of a great prophet creature. What I read shook me. The stories seemed to be beyond the realms of life on Earth. And some struck me to my very core.
The depths of the Peruvian rainforest. These are the hardest conditions I've had to face on an expedition. I can sense the men growing weary, and yet we march on as who can know what secrets this jungle holds. The animals here are adapted to live in these harsh conditions. As for us, we need specialist equipment just to survive. And just as we were giving up hope,
A humble cricket. Little does he know he's being watched, and I don't mean by us. A lucky escape for Mr. Cricket. Perhaps I spoke too soon. Witnessing such a life form with my own eyes leads me to believe the legends of cannibalism. I never thought I'd see a thing so expertly formed to kill as this. It makes you wonder, what else might be lurking in the unexplored corners of our world?